How do you maintain your motorcycle? This episode, I'm gonna talk to you about how I maintain my motorcycle. Today I'm on my way to EANinja shop to have my oil changed and just service a few parts, bits and pieces. Just keep the motorcycle in tip-top shape. Why not do it myself? I would, but unfortunately the downside about living in a condo is that you don't have your own garage, and not having your own garage means you don't have a tool bay, you don't have a means to dispose of, you know, the used oil, dirty rags, and everything like that. So I just bring my motorcycle to the shop. It's more convenient. Yes, a little bit pricier, but I know my motorcycle is in good hands. So EANinja shop has been around for a while, and they're actually an authorized service center of Kawasaki. So the dudes over at Kawasaki, Japan, visit the shop every now and then, make sure that everything is in order, make sure that everything is up to spec, and that really, you know, gives me a confidence to have my motorcycle maintained by that shop. So as far as I know, the shop is owned by two guys, Ernest and Anton. I've met both of them. They're really great guys. And Ernest, by the way, is the current president of EANinja NCR, along with a few other people who are the presidents of their you know, their own chapters in the provinces. Ernest and Anton put up EANinja shop because they are Kawasaki enthusiasts. So it is an authorized Kawasaki service center, but it doesn't mean that they only service Kawasaki bikes. They service all brands of bikes, and not just big bikes. They also service scooters, underbones, whatever you have. They have very competent mechanics. They know what they're doing. They've been, you know, around motorcycles their entire lives basically, and they've studied their craft. So don't worry, you know, just be assured that your motorcycle is in very good hands if you bring it to EANinja shop. So I guess today Waze is taking me, or is this Waze or is this Maps? I'm not sure. I think it's Maps. Maps is taking me to EA via Cavite, so I'm not gonna use the S-Lex or the South Luzon Expressway today. Oh, and I'm also trying out my new dead cat setup. I hope it's better at, you know, keeping that wind noise at bay. The last one, while it was effective, it was still not that effective. I still had some wind noise when I was on my motorcycle, so I needed to tweak it a bit. And so my wife again, thank you baby, made a new dead cat for me. So she sewed it onto the microphone. Well, actually she didn't sew it onto the microphone. She just sewed the material into a little like pocket, and we put on some double tape on the microphone and double tape that onto the microphone. So there. So I hope this is better. I hope it works. I guess I'll find out when I get home. Oh, and today I'm also trying out this new setup for the GoPro. So I noticed it's a little bit lower, so I hope that doesn't affect the view that much. It's a one-piece bracket, which is a lot sturdier than the two-piece bracket that I used to use. Or was that a three? I think that was a three-piece bracket that I used to use. So this way, oh wait, yeah, it was a two-piece bracket. I am so confused. Anyway, it's a one-piece bracket now, so it should be sturdier. Now I'm supposed to turn left here. And to prove that the world is round, I will go left by turning right. This is what you get. You ride your motorcycle after heavy rains in the Philippines. Drainage? What drainage? So I arrived here at EANinja shop. Here it is. See a lot of motorcycles being serviced here. A testament to their quality. Let me go up and say hello. Service area. Where did I put that? Huh. Oh, it's here. Hello, Lisa. Okay, so I just got my oil change over here at EANinja shop, and I'll be going home now. Jeff, thank you. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic on this road, so I hope I can get home easily.